Hello, friends! Welcome to KidsMemSchool. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like. Paint it R-E-D. Wow! So bright and red.
What color is this?
Yes! Red. Let's find R-E-D. One red shell, one red flower, one red ball. Roll the paint. B-L-U-E. Now B-L-U. One blue shell, one blue bucket, one blue kite. What color is this? Yes, blue. Paint it green. Beautiful green. Let's find green. One green shell, one green leaf, one green bucket. What color is this? Yes! Green! Mix green and yellow. What do we get? Yes! Yellow-green. Look! Three yellow bananas. Paint the sun yellow.
What color is this?
Yes, yellow. Look, 3 orange fruits. Paint it orange. What color is this? Yes, orange. Wow, 3 indigo balloons. Color the surfboard indigo. Look, 3 purple flowers.
What color is this?
Yes, purple. Paint the umbrella purple. Let's say all the colors together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple.
Great job! You